we were doing chapter expert detective. Okay, so in that chapter you have come to know that there is a boy named Nishad. He was very much inquisitive, he was very much curious to know about Mr. Nam. So he started doing lots of investigation related to that person because he wanted to gather so many evidence, he wanted to gather so many witness so that that person could be caught, because he was having a doubt on that person, that that person was living alone, he doesn't talk to anybody, he doesn't allow anybody to enter in his room. Okay, so what could be the reason? So that's why he wanted to gather so many evidence related to that person. Okay, so that's why he met Ramesh. Okay, so from Ramesh also he got lots of information. So on this page we have come to know that Nishad was thinking about that poor person and he was talking with Maya. Okay, and he wanted to know why he was living so lonely, why he was so aloof, and why he was not having so many friends. Okay, so he was just shouting that how that crook person, how that criminal can have a lots of friends. Because if a person is criminal, he will not have so many friends. Okay. But Nishad was having a doubt that there is only one friend who meets him on Sunday. Okay. So a very brilliant thought occurred in his mind, that he was thinking that that person who comes to meet him on Sunday, that person could be his, you can say, partner, or you can say helper in his crimes. Okay, so that's why he was thinking that yes, he was very much sure that the person who comes to meet him, that person could be his partner in crime. Okay, but now what he was calling that person a criminal, because he was having a doubt on that person, so he used to call him by saying criminal. Okay, so he was discussing all the things with Ramesh, and he was saying that how a criminal, how a bad kind of person can give a tip to Ramesh, because when he came to know about this thing from Ramesh, that he was given tips, etc. So he was thinking that how can a crook person, how can a criminal kind of person, you can say, provide tips to, because to give tips, it is a trait, it is a quality of a generous person, it is a quality of a kind person. So if he is a criminal, how can he give a tip to anybody? Okay, so start reading from there, Ramesh. So who will be reading? Yes, Arshia, read.
I was beginning to get fed up with this. How can we make any progress with our investigation if we cannot absolute challenge? I asked. And the only is because this idea about him being an escape route. suddenly glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. But you have made no impression on him at all.
So now from this text, we have come to know that Ramesh was not known to this thing, that Ramesh was not aware of his past. That's why it could be there that Mr. Nath was giving him bribe. To give bribe means to give money. Okay. So now Nishad was very much curious to know about that person. Okay. And he told Ramesh that I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escape crook. Set 7, you really make me angry. Because when such kind of conversation was going among Ramesh, Nishad, and Maya, so Nishad was very much, you can say, doubtful person. He was having lots of doubts on that person. So because of that nature, he was seeming that just like a oaf. What is the meaning of oaf? Oaf means unintelligent person. Unintelligent idiot. Unintelligent idiot. So Maya was saying that why you are collecting all these evidence and witness, because if you are doing all these silly things, so definitely you are doing a silly things, because you are going to inquire, because you are inquiring against that person could not be a crook, that person could not be a criminal. Okay, so why all the things that he is living alone, he is talking to criminal, any person is coming, so why all these things are bothering you, why you are worried for that person? So Nishad was also looking so thoughtful. Okay, because Nishad was saying that I just doing this thing, I'm doing these things because I just want to find out that why this person is so much thin, why why he was living so alone. Okay, so why he is not having any friend. So such kind of conversation was going between Maya and Nishad. Okay, so try to understand 7. I told him if he's lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. What is the meaning of cops? Policeman. So what kind of conversation was going between two persons? That if he is sitting alone, if he is living alone, and he has been living alone for last 1 year, so if he has not made any of the friend, it means what is the problem there? It means he is a criminal. That's why he doesn't want to be friend of anybody. Okay, so this is the reason. So Nishad was protesting this thing. Okay, so why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is. Nasty bear means what a unpleasant personality he is. That why he doesn't want to be a friend of anybody? Because of his personality, because of his physical appearance, because of his nature. He looks like a nasty bear. Nasty bear means he is unpleasant. Nobody likes to talk to him. Nobody likes to go in his room. Nobody likes to talk to that person. Okay, so this is the reason. I don't care Nisha stubbornly. Stubbornly means you can say with lots of firmly. Okay, with lots of firm. So he firmly said, okay, I am going to be his friend. So he said, okay, you are going to be a friend of crook person, criminal person. Are you a crazy? So the cop will definitely, police will put you behind the jail. Okay, so do you want that such thing should happen? So Nishad, merely means only. Write down the meaning of merely. Merely means only. Okay, glared. What is the meaning of glared? Glared means to look with anger. So Nishad was looking angrily at Maya. Okay, he went to his room. It means he was saying that whatever was his theories means whatever was his doubt, what was his witness, evidence, his suspicion, his all the doubts, it did not create any kind of impression on Maya. So Maya thought that she should go there and she should be friend with that lonely person. Clear? So now let's move to question answer. I want active participation of yours. You all should participate. Your hands should be raised and you should be very much eager to tell me the answer. So the question number 1 is, what does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below. What he eats, when he eats, what he drinks and when, how he pays. So start finding information about that. Hurry up. Start finding information about that. Good. Any other child? Okay. From online class, Garvit, you tell me the answer.
Ma'am, he found that he eats 2 chapatis with dal and a vegetable.
Yes. When he eats every morning. What he drinks and when? 2 cups of tea afternoon. How he pays? So by gathering all such kind of information, you have to arrange this information and make a paragraph about that. Okay? Why does Maya think Mr. Nath is a crook? Who does she say the Sunday visitor is? Why he thinks that he was a crook personality, he was a criminal? From which kind of evidence you can say? Yes, you tell me. He has a scar. Yes, he has a scar. Very good. Okay. So there are different kind of things that we can gather about this. So you all have books with you? Online students also, you are having books. So why does Maya think that he is a crook? So from which evidence it is clear that he has? Okay. Some students are saying that he has no friends. Another reason is that he has scar on his face. Yes. He lives alone. Looks yes, very nice. Living on rent, but no source of income. No source of income. Pays cash. He pays cash. Gives tips. So from all these examples, we can say that he has no friends, he has scar on his face, he lives alone, he looks not ordinary. Yes. So there are so many witnesses, there are so many examples which are given here. So pick up all these examples, pick up all these hints. Any another hint that occurs in your mind? This. Okay, he is taking treatment also under medical treatment. So he is under medical treatment. Yes. So from all these examples, we can say that he doesn't talk to anybody. He has no friend. He lives alone. He doesn't allow anybody to enter there. Okay, he is living on rent. He pays cash, but he has no source of income. So from where the income is coming? Okay. So so from all these examples, Maya thinks that Mr. Nath could be a proof. Next part of the same question is, who does she say the Sunday visitor is? Who does she say the Sunday visitor is? So there was a Sunday visitor. There was one of the visitor who used to visit him on every Sunday. So what that visitor could be? It was accomplice. It is given on your book. So what is the meaning of accomplice? So he can be his helper in crime. He could be his partner. Okay. So he could be accomplice. He could be helper in crime. He could be a partner in the criminal, in the crimes or in crime. Okay. So next question, does Nishad agree with Maya about Mr. Nath? How does he feel about him? Raise your hands, hurry up. Does, first of all, tell, does Nishad agree with Maya about no or yes? Okay, so your answer is no. But how does he feel about him? Yes, has no friends. Has no friends. Lonely. Poor. Weak. Weak, poor. Any other point that occurs? Yes, no one wants to be his friend. No one wants to be his friend. So no one wants to be his friend. So these all are the helps. With the help of these hints, you can frame your answer. So she think that it was thought that he has no friends. He was lonely. Okay, he was poor. He was starving. Why was he looking so thin? He was starving. He was so weak. No one wants to be his friend. Okay, so sympathetic, showing sympathy to somebody, pity. Having pity. So that person was feeling sympathetic for Mr. Nath. Which kind of feeling that person was having? Maya was having? That Maya was feeling sympathetic, full of pity. Sympathetic means full of pity. Clear? Full of pity. Ashima, where were you when question number 1 was discussed? Where were you? So these points are clear to you? Second and third will be able to do these question answers. So do these question answers in your notebook today. It is your homework. These 3 questions you have to do in your notebook. Okay, now do. See, there is a word tip. T-I-P. Tip has how many letters? 3. But this tip has different kind of meanings. Okay, so let's discuss about these different kind of meanings. For that, I'm going to share screen with you. See, fingertip. Fingertips. Find out the meaning from this B passage. Options are given. Fingertip. Bache, keep silence. Last one. You don't have book. So look at your book. Find out the meaning of fingertip. Meaning of fingertip is? Very good. The meaning of fingertip is the ends of one's finger. So it will be your first. Next, the tip of your nose. The tip of your nose is? Yes, the pointed end of your nose. Tip the water out of the bucket. Very good. Empty a bucket by tilting it. Okay. Have something on the tip of your tongue. Be about say. Next. Tip the boat over. Yes, make the boat over turn. Okay, next is tip him a rupee. Very nice. Give a rupee to him to thank him. The tip of the bat. The tip of the bat. Yes, the end of the bat. The police were tipped off. The police were told or warned. If you take my tip. Very nice. If you take this adverb. The bat tipped the ball. Yes, the bat tightly touched the ball. So check your answers carefully. Online students, I have written. Okay. Now let's do next interesting part. This part Phillips you have done yesterday. Okay, now next, the storm broke. So now break word is given. Okay, you have to match with the meanings of this. The storm broke. The storm broke means it means very weird, very strange kind of weather was there. But now this weather has ended. So what could be the match for first? The storm broke. Tell me. Very nice. This kind of weather added, it means storm kind of weather was there, but now this kind of weather is ended. Daybreak. Yes, the beginning of the daylight. His voice is beginning to break. Changing as he grows up. Her voice broke and she cried. Could not speak, was too sad to speak. So, what will be its answer? Could not speak, was too sad to speak. The heat wave broke. It began or burst into activity. It began or burst into activity. Broke the bad news. Gently told someone the bad news. Break a strike. Huh? Yes, ended by making the workers submit. Now find any of the expression and you have to write down the meaning. This homework I am giving you. 8. You find out any of the expression. Breakdown. Very good. So what will be the meaning of breakdown? Huh? Machine failure. Very good. So very nice. Lakshay has told his expression. He has told about breakdown. Breakdown means, what have you told? Machine failure. Huh? So you find out any of the expression. Maya. Now next writing part is, who do you think Mr. Nath is? Write a paragraph or 2 about him. You have to write on 1 paragraph or 2 paragraphs on Mr. Nath. Yes, you have to write down character sketch of Mr. Nath. Which kind of person was Mr. Nath? Tell me about, hurry up. So there are so many traits which should come in your mind. He was white person. White person. Lives alone. So now the bell has gone. We will continue. Last one. We will continue this chapter tomorrow from this question. Up to that, you do in your fair notebook. First 3 questions. Clear?